There was a 6-digit OTP. And just wait. I hope there's available lockers because just now, oh, there is. Just now I went to another location, there isn't any locker. So the locker automatically open. They say locker is D07. Place your parcel into the locker, close the locker, and complete the job by clicking the button, the green color one. So it's D07. I have my parcel here. It's actually a mosquito swatter. Oh. I just hope it's enough space, man. Oh, it just barely fits. Good. Ah, that's nice. Thank you for using pig. Every decision you play a part in the reduction of 50 tons. Alright, let's see what happens after 5 seconds. I wanted to click the green button, but they don't give the option. I think that's over, man. It's finished. And it's a good thing, so the shipper will come and collect in their available time, maybe the 1 or 2 days time within office hour. And the good thing about this shop and pay parcel collection and returns, because it's like open 24 hours. And how many lockers do you see here? From A1 to 99, that's a bigger one. Then 11 plus 21, 31 plus another 10. Oh, that's 41, right? And not as, I mean, you have to include the 2 here. So it's like 33. That's good. And guess what? There's a mobile app here as well. So this little video help you guys in returning the parcel at your chosen time of convenience. All you need to do is to write the tracking number on the parcel, and then get the SMS to your handphone, enter the PIN initially, starting point when you ask you to enter the PIN. And that's it, man. It looks really like cool, man. Retro, right? And don't worry, there are cameras, you know. 2 cameras on the left and right. So if anyone try to tamper with this system to get the parcel, they'll be recorded and the authorities will deal with them. There's another one over there. Alright, today is a rainy day, but I still go out and do some video because, you know, it's near Chinese New Year and lots of stuff going on. So take care everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope this video really helps you guys, because it's actually my first time, you know, to use this shop and pay. So it's not so difficult. It's actually easy. Follow the steps. Alright, there's a Facebook and an Instagram as well, and a QR code website. Alright, so take care everyone. Bye bye.